Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable dark mode on CoinMarketCap account. So first we're going to go to the CoinMarketCap app. Then once you're here, going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then as you can see, there's the theme option. So they have three options, the light, the dark, as well as the system theme. So we're going to click on the dark theme. As you can see, it's going to change the layout of the app. So if you want the dark theme, you guys could click on it and make it like this. You guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. It's such a helpful trading app. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.